So we got a box right here. I'm gonna unbox it because that's what real YouTubers do, and I want to be a real YouTuber. Yeah, so let's get into it. Got this thing. I guess you stick things in this. Got another one. Got whatever this thing is. I think you hang things on this, I guess. We got a book, 2 by 2. I bet it's about math. Need to lay off the crack. Bartender's Bible. Makes drinks like a pro. You know, this is actually useful. I'm keeping this. What is this thing? Is this a voodoo doll? The Damn It doll. Whenever things don't go so well and you want to hit the wall and yell, here's a little Damn It doll that you can't do without. Just grasp it firmly by the legs, find a place to slam it, and as you whack the stuffing out, yell, damn it, damn it, damn it. How nice. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Very relaxing. Alright, what else we got in here? Streams in the desert. Well, those are two things that don't go together. Streams and deserts. Got this thing. It's a cup. To put stuff in this. Right. So what else we got here? Got a mouse. This mouse still has batteries in it. I guess I'll take the batteries and throw out the mouse. Get out of here. Alright. How'd that get in there? Just... We've got some plates. I think I'll just set these gently on the floor. Yeah, just... Yep. Got a random ass cable. You can never have enough of random ass cables. And live in the sunshine, swim in the sea, drink the wild air. Yeah, this is kind of stupid. Get out of here. Alright, what else we got? We got another cup. I teach tiny humans. What's your excuse? I'm keeping this. I don't teach tiny humans, but yeah, it's still a good thing to have, I guess. Alright, what do we got over here? Let's see. I remember these things. We call these spit launchers. We'd stick some spit in it and blow it out. Yep. Fun times. Yeah. Yep. Alright, what else we got? I think we've got a shoe stuck to whatever this thing is. Got a nice shoe right here. Yeah, this is a good shoe for like slapping someone with. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna keep whatever that is. Alright. We got this thing. I think you stick things in this. There's a lot of things that you can stick other things in here. Like, a lot. ribbon, bow, that you clip on, hair clip on bow. Yeah. Alright, let's get that out. New Testament, Psalms, and Proverbs. Man, I got glasses and I can barely read this. Like, likewise, ye younger, submit yourselves unto the elder. Well, that doesn't sound bad at all. Got whatever this is. Is that? I think that's a necklace or something. Yeah. Ooh, hey, that actually looks kind of cool. Let's see. Get that out of here. Now, these are the kinds of baggies that you use to put all your drugs in. You know, because they're small, tiny, easily concealable. Yeah, I'm keeping that. Keeping that right there. I've got another bag. Another thing that you stick other things in. Another spit shooter. Another spit shooter. Look at all these bowls. Yeah. Got a lot of bowls. Yep. Bowls. Not much else to them. No, so that's about it. That's all. This box is completely empty. Almost. There's a few things in there, but ooh, a spider. Alright. Unboxing video. Ooh. Yep. So everything's unboxed. I've made a mess. And thanks for watching, I guess. I don't know. How do you end one of these things? Do you like burn the box or something? Like, is that how you end one of these things? You know, with a box burning? This isn't catching on fire. Why is it? Oh, that's burning a little bit right there.